Hello, hello there. Right now, where am I? I am at the airport. What I'm doing at the airport. So I'll be traveling with my friends CK and Green to Taiwan today. Actually, our flight was supposed to be yesterday. Last night. Yesterday, so 11. But due to the typhoon Buwan, it was cancelled. But fortunately, we were able to rebook earliest is at 7 a.m. today. And thank God also the weather has normalized. No more strong winds and raining outside. So we were very early at the airport and we're just waiting for our flight at 7. So right now it's around 4 past 4 a.m. So we have a lot of time pa. And yeah, we're just relaxing here at the airport and we're excited to explore Taiwan. And this is my second time in Taiwan. Last time was 2022, and yeah, funny thing is, last 2022 when I first traveled to Taiwan, there was also a calamity. There was an eruption, a volcanic eruption of Taal. So flights were cancelled also, and fortunately I was able to proceed. And yeah, same as for this time traveling to Taiwan. Um, my flight was affected once again because of the typhoon Uwan. So, sa airport ng Taiwan. Welcome back, James. Taiwan, second time around. Basta kayo dyan? We're here sa destination airport. Alright, kumusta naman dyan? Here na. Wala naman kaming baggage. Nothing to declare. Dito na tayo dumaan. Easy cards. Thank you, cute. Bili na kami ng easy card. This is the one I chose. Ganda. Pwede siyang keychain. This is worth $169. So almost 300 pesos. Pero wala pa siyang laman. And let's see. Next up, bibili kami ng ticket. Bus ticket. Going to Ximending. Ayun, we got our bus ticket going to Ximending. And the cost is 105 NT each person. So that's around almost 200 per person. So, ayun. Sobrang bait talaga dito ng mga locals. Napaka-accommodating, napaka-welcoming. So, kaya favorite place ko to eh. Yan. Nagantay lang kami ng bus namin. So, nag-bus muna kami to this time kasi later when we return sa Saturday, we will take the train. So, thank God we have a safe and comfortable ride. It was a bit longer because according to the pilot, we took the longer route dahil nga sa bagyo. Excited to explore Taiwan once again. Ito na yung bus namin. Nandito na kami sa bus going to Ximending. Nakakabilib kasi. Sobrang on time niya. Grabe, naka-schedule lahat. And sobrang smooth ng yung pagdating. And ito ko, walang siya ng pasahero. And I think, alis na rin kami in a few minutes. Yeah, in a few. Alis na rin kami kahit hindi puno. Grabe. So, ayun, medyo maulan sa labas. Wala masyadong nagpa-bus na tao from airport kasi may train naman. Especially ngayong araw. Yeah, mga 2 minutes na siya nag-stay. On the dot talaga sila alis. So, ito yung I wish we have also this kind of transportation service in the Philippines. Grabe. Tatlo lang kami, 5 lang kami yung pasahero. Grabe. Kaya pa lang our bus was scheduled to arrive at 11:25. 11:25 yung departure niya sa airport. Dumating siya ng 11:22. And 2 minutes na nag-stay, umalis sa akin. Wala kami yung pasahero. And then, umalis na rin na dun. Diba? Pilipinas, pag hindi puno or hindi nakatayo yung mga tao, hindi sila ayos. Dahil may hinahawal na number of people or quota. Dito hindi. They respect the schedule, time, which passenger. On the talaga. Pwede mong planuhin dito yung oras mo or yung lakad mo. Kasi everything was on the dot. So, traversing the highway road to Type A, Xinmin. One thing pa na notice mo dito sa Taiwan is yung mga pedestrian crossing. Sobrang dalas, sobrang dami. So, that's how I can say they have a lot of respect para sa mga pedestrian nila. Sa Pilipinas, maglalagay ng kadami-daming overpass na sobrang hirap akitin, especially sa mga PWDs. Pero sobrang traffic pa rin. Dito sa kanila, they have a lot of pedestrian crossing, pero yung flow ng traffic is still alright. Hindi siya nakaka-apekto sa kanila. Sa implementation siya. Yung basura nila, hindi tao yung nagmamanage. I mean, walang tao nakakarga sa lugar. May gamit sa equipment para isiksik yung mga basura. Ganyan ba? Kaya naman talaga natin yung internet, pero we don't do that. I don't know. Ano ko ba?
And look, meron silang mga overpass, pero meron pa rin mga pedestrian lane below. So, people has an option which one to use.
Sa Ximending, Taiwan, Taipei. Medyo maulan, medyo maumbon. But yeah, finally we're here. Ay, tatay. Ayan ako sa Taiwan, what? Nagulag ako na yan. Ayan na kami sa Ximending Station, Taipei. So, we will look for our accommodation. Nanay. And ayan. We'll start our tour. The weather is medyo maambon. And I love this weather. So, epekto pa to ni Uwan. So, yes. That's it. That's it for now. Ayun mga bikes. Kaya ko ng bikes na to. Okay, see you later. Look at those pigeons. Diba? Oh, they're free to roam. And look at the city. Dito sa Shimending. City siya, pero look at the trees. And the weather, I super like it. Baguio feels. Ta-da! Maulan. Ayun yung Red House, yung famous Red House. Ito yung Shimin area. Ito yung parang Shibuya Crossing. Ito ba? Tama ba? Eh, yung famous na Rainbow, ano, yung pedestrian crossing Rainbow. Look! So, punta muna kami sa aming accommodation. Sabi niya, diretso ka daw eh. Akala ko nakasunod ka sa kanya, tapos nanalo ko siya sa akin. Test, saan ba itong binili namin? Kala namin hotpot. Nung pala iihawin. Anyhow. Hotpot, inihaw pala. Burger, sausage, beef. I don't know this one. This one is mushroom. This one is steamed pig. And this one I don't know. Taste test na lang natin. Let's eat. Dami. Kaya pala almost 500 pesos. Tikman natin. Wala ba itong ano? Anything kompleto Ricardo sa to. Wala na siyang
Yung flavor niya yung powder.
very nice.
Garlic.
Ano ba tayong drinks? Kaya tayo lang. Ano yung skin? Ito tayo mga ito. Tempura pala ito. Okay yung dyan. Baka ba siya ihaw, no? Ihaw.
Happy.
Okay na. The mushroom, tika. Tika? May water. Hindi ka mushroom.
Just want the powder na.
Dapat in-order natin. Nakalaw konti na tayo pala. Yung fairness dito Malag ka. Ito yung ano, beef na may bacon. Bacon ba? Bacon na may cheese. Pineapple. Bacon na may cheese. Pineapple. Pwede sila juice pineapple.
Same lang yung flavor.
Ito yung
Same powder.
More target.
Lagayan ang dami.
Normal naman. Normal na ihaw. Kamali lang namin. We thought it's hot pot. Shabu-shabu. Hindi pala. No. Sorry na mga gutom. This is our first meal in Taiwan. Sushi.
Of course, hindi mawawala yung photo ops. with CK, Japes, myself, and of course, Madam Ingrid. This one pala is a temple, so in the middle of Ximending.
Here sa Taipei Main Station. Dito na basking ang S19 last January. Ay, no, last June. This is the Taipei Main Station. Dito nagko-converge ang mga trains systems ng Taiwan, Taipei. Okay. Shishi.
And of course, ayan ulit sila. Photo ops pa more. And more. And more. This one is the Pop Mart. It finally is. Nadaanan na namin siya, but never we had entered it kasi mahaba lagi ang pila. Google Lens and its translate functionality is very helpful. So when you get here, make sure you maximize this. And we also withdrew Taiwanese dollars sa MRT na din. And also we have reloaded our Easy card. And also we bought our trade day fan pass. So yeah, that's it for day 1.